Hi guys, I just want to give you an introduction to this one. And I bought this off eBay back in November, so a lot of the specs I can't go into because eBay won't let you do that after 60 days. So I looked it up, and some say it's German, some say it's Swedish, some even say Italian. But this is a mess kit I picked up just to upgrade for what I currently use, which is the Yugo one. Now I liked it because it has a little bit of a handle here, so I can hang it quite nicely. It has a latch on bottom to keep everything together. I don't think it's a original one anyway. I think it's a copy, basically because it's such good condition and it looks spray painted on, which I don't think the original stuff would do that. So you have a nice little frying pan here. It's 6.5 inches across and 3 inches wide, and it's plenty deep enough for some decent cooking. I'll get to the handle bit in a minute. Inside, this is the part I liked. You have your bowl inside, and then again you can hook up dishes like that, so you can carry both of them, which is nice. I'll leave that on here for now. And then you have a very generous size container here. I'll throw the measurements on the screen, but it looks like it's aluminium or aluminum. But again, I liked it because boiling water, my MRE packs would fit in here quite nicely without me having to squeeze it into a smaller container like the Yugo. You have indentations here. I believe that's every 16 ounces. The marks you can see on the inside as well. So if you're filling it up, that's no problem. Nice flat base, I'm not worried about it going over. Like I said, I can hang it nicely. So I think I'm going to use this as an upgrade. I'm not saying buy it, I'm not saying I'm recommending it. Like I said, I bought it in November. I haven't even tested it out yet, as you can see here. So I'm going to have a play with this one, but I'm just trying to think outside the box and something else. I've been looking up military cook sets, and these are the ones I liked. I probably wouldn't put this one on the fire. I probably just eat out of this one, only because there's already scratches on it where it's so snugly fit into this. I think that if I did cook on it, it might even be harder to get it in there, which I don't want to. Someone did mention about putting water in this, putting a fire and steaming food in here with the lid on it. You know, that's not for me. I probably wouldn't do that. I'm not sure if you're into that or that's an option. But alright, so if you're boiling water like that, that's fine. If you want to boil water on it like this and then try to get this off, you're gonna have an issue with the handle going against you, trying to lift it up without bending it. So keep that in mind. I probably just boil as is, maybe put it on loosely, something like that, and then you can just lift it off. Like I said, this is only introduction. I haven't played with it yet. I really want to, but I thought it was a nice little 3-piece set. So you have your food, frying pan, and boiling. But again, just throwing an idea out there. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you know where this came from? If it is German, there's East German, West German, all kinds of different advice out there. I don't know. I don't really care where it came from. I just know I liked it. I'm going to use it. So let me know what you think in the comment section, please. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.